Hey everyone, this is Sam Valley, uh, back again with another video. This is now going to be looking at the create an event. Um, Last time I did a few videos on the create a wrestler and how that functions. The create event system actually functions pretty much the same way. It doesn't use all the exact same code, but it uses a lot of it. And I've now done a lot more as well with decals. That was one thing that we didn't have quite set yet on the Create a Wrestler. So you could change like the what the attire was and the colors of the base layer. But I couldn't quite add the decals yet. I needed to do a little bit of programming. I've done that now, and I'll show you guys this in the create an event system. So first of all, before we get into the actual create an event system, here we have the select event menu. So you can see as I go up and down, it changes the building, the ring, everything about the event. I can rotate round and show you guys. Now a lot of this stuff, like you'll see that ring there, it's all red. That's obviously unfinished. There's a lot that's unfinished. The guardrails are actually just set up for one direct. Like if I actually show you on which one, this one. Yeah, you can see there that the guardrails and the stage. That's the guardrails and the stage set up from when we did the showcase. Each event will obviously have a different setup with the guardrails, and you'll actually be able to go in and set where you want the stage to be. So like in this building here, if you wanted to set it off to the side, you will be able to do that, but the guardrails will look different, because you can see they're actually going into the side of the building just there. But obviously you'll have the option as well to have them straight on like it normally is. Anyway, so we've got a bunch of promotions, and each promotion has, well actually I'll start off at the top corner. You can see that says 1980. So, and obviously if you hit the triangle button, can't do it just yet, but you'll have a menu that will let you cycle through each year. So you can change the year from which this menu is then focused on. Because some promotions might not come about until later. I think that we have a promotion called Glitz, which is kind of the equivalent of Glow. It's the all-female promotion, so that doesn't come in until about 1987, I think. Some other promotions like the hardcore promotions, House of Honor, that probably won't come until maybe 92, 93, something like that. And of course promotions can also cease to exist as well, so they can have an expiration date. So anyway, as we're in 1980 just now, if I cycle through, we don't have all the promotions set up. But you can see, and they're all very unfinished. But yeah, you can see Lucha Libre logo there has a 6-sided ring. I forgot to change the material on the canvas there, so that looks a bit wrong. If we go over to the Ultra Japan one, this is obviously, a reference. I don't think I need to really tell you guys what this is supposed to be, but yeah, you can see here the arena is completely different. The ring, everything, the whole setup's completely different. So another thing to notice as well is if I go back to Empire Wrestling Federation, you'll notice as well the show that I'm highlighted on, it says TV next to it. Each promotion you will get, there is a maximum on it. It might be 2, it might end up, we might change it, it might be 3, but there'll be a maximum number of shows that you can assign to be TV shows. And if you look at the date on the TV show, you'll see it says weekly, and it's set to this one's set to Wednesday. If I go up, this one here is set to Saturday. But then if you come down to the third one, which is the pay-per-view, you'll see the date structure changes. So this is the 9th of the 8th, 1980. So as well as being limited with the TV shows, so you can select like 2 or 3, the pay-per-views are all tied to months of the year. But yeah, so with that said, I'll, we'll click here, we'll enter. This is now you're in the create an event mode. So, you've got the name, you've got the type of pay-per-view it is, you've got the date, the location, and the attendance.